Creating a beautiful and inviting home doesn't require a fortune. You can achieve your dream space even on a tight budget. It's all about planning, creativity, and a touch of resourcefulness. Forget the myth that stunning interiors are only for the wealthy. With a little ingenuity, you can transform your house into a haven, reflecting your personality and style without breaking the bank. Before you start browsing furniture stores, it's essential to take a step back and think about your financial foundation. Or picking out paint swatches, you need to have a clear understanding of your budget. Take the time to establish a realistic budget. This means sitting down and carefully considering your income, expenses, and how much you can allocate towards your home makeover. This crucial step will be your guiding light throughout the entire design process. Without a clear budget, it's easy to overspend and find yourself in financial trouble. Determine how much you can comfortably spend on your home makeover. Consider all aspects of your finances, including any savings you might want to dip into, and any loans or credit you might use. Then, break down your budget into specific categories. This will help you stay organized and ensure that you don't overlook any important areas, such as furniture, paint, and other essential elements of your home design. Decor and lighting are also crucial components that can significantly impact the overall look and feel of your space. Allocate funds to each category based on your priorities and needs. This way, you can ensure that you have enough money for the most important aspects of your home makeover, while also allowing for some flexibility in case unexpected expenses arise. Regularly review and adjust your budget as needed. Your financial situation might change, or you might find that certain aspects of your home makeover require more or less money than you initially anticipated. By staying on top of your budget and making adjustments as necessary, you can ensure that your home makeover stays on track and within your financial means. This careful planning and budgeting will ultimately lead to a more successful and satisfying home design project. One of the best ways to stay within budget is to become a savvy shopper. Hunt for deals, compare prices, and don't be afraid to explore different avenues. Check out online marketplaces like Facebook, Marketplace, or Craigslist for pre-loved furniture pieces that can be given a new lease on life with a little TLC. Explore thrift stores, consignment shops, and flea markets for hidden treasures and unique finds. Unleash your inner DIY enthusiast and discover the joy of creating personalized pieces for your home. Instead of splurging on expensive artwork, try your hand at painting your own canvases or framing beautiful fabrics or wallpaper remnants. Repurpose old furniture with a fresh coat of paint or new hardware. Get crafty with textiles and create your own throw pillows, curtains, or even a statement headboard. Inspiration boards are fantastic tools for visualizing your dream space and defining your style. Utilize online platforms like Pinterest or Canva to create digital mood boards. Gather images of furniture, color palettes, decor elements, and room layouts that resonate with you. Alternatively, go old school and create a physical inspiration board using a corkboard, magazines, fabric swatches, and paint chips. Color plays a pivotal role in setting the mood and ambiance of a room. It can transform a space from dull and lifeless to vibrant and full of energy. The right color palette can evoke emotions, create a sense of harmony, and even influence our behavior. Whether you're looking to create a tranquil retreat or a lively gathering space, the colors you choose will set the foundation for the entire design. Before you even think about furniture or decor, decide on a color palette that reflects your desired atmosphere. Start by gathering inspiration from various sources such as magazines, online platforms, or even nature. Create a mood board to visualize how different colors work together. This will help you see the bigger picture and ensure that all elements of your design are cohesive. Do you envision a serene and airy space with cool, calming tones? Colors like soft blues, gentle greens, and light grays can create a peaceful environment that promotes relaxation and tranquility. These shades are perfect for bedrooms, bathrooms, or any space where you want to unwind and escape from the hustle and bustle of daily life. Or do you prefer a warm and inviting ambiance with rich, earthy hues? Warm colors such as deep reds, burnt oranges, and golden yellows can make a room feel cozy and welcoming. These tones are ideal for living rooms, dining areas, or any space where you want to foster a sense of comfort and togetherness. Experiment with different color combinations and consider the amount of natural light in your space. Natural light can significantly affect how colors appear throughout the day. A color that looks perfect in the morning might seem completely different in the evening. Test your chosen colors in different lighting conditions to ensure they achieve the desired effect. Don't be afraid to mix and match until you find the perfect palette that brings your vision to life. Your home should be a reflection of your unique personality and style. Inject your individuality into your design by incorporating personal touches throughout your space. Display cherished family photos, travel souvenirs, or beloved books. Incorporate textiles and patterns that resonate with you. Don't be afraid to mix and match different styles and eras to create a space that feels eclectic and truly yours. We encourage you to embark on your own budget-friendly design journey. Whether you're a seasoned decorator or just starting out, the process of transforming your space can be incredibly rewarding. Imagine the joy of creating a home that truly reflects your personality and style, all while staying within your budget. It's not just about saving money, it's about the satisfaction of knowing you did it yourself. And discover the transformative power of creating a space that brings you joy. The before and after moments are truly magical. Seeing a room go from drab to fab can be a source of immense pride and happiness. It's these moments that make all the planning, budgeting, and hard work worth it. Start by setting a realistic budget. This is the foundation of any successful design project. Knowing how much you can spend will help you make informed decisions and avoid overspending. Take the time to list all potential expenses, from paint and furniture to small decor items, and crafting your inspiration board. This is where your vision starts to take shape. Gather images, fabric swatches, and color samples that inspire you. Arrange them on a board to create a visual representation of your dream space. This will serve as your guide throughout the design process. Then, let your creativity soar. Brainstorm ideas with friends and family, and don't be afraid to think outside the box. Sometimes the best design solutions come from the most unexpected places. Get hands-on with DIY projects and enjoy the process of bringing your ideas to life. As you explore affordable design solutions, there are countless ways to save money without compromising on style. Shop at budget stores, compare prices, and look for deals online. You'd be surprised at the treasures you can find when you take the time to search and unleash your inner DIYer. There's something incredibly satisfying about creating something with your own hands. Whether it's painting furniture, crafting decor items, or tackling a larger project, DIY allows you to put a personal touch on your space. Don't forget to share your budget plans, design ideas, and progress photos with us. Sharing your journey can inspire others and create a sense of community. Plus, it's a great way to get feedback and new ideas from fellow design enthusiasts. We love seeing the creativity and effort that goes into each project. Your progress photos can motivate others to start their own design journeys. We can't wait to see your dream spaces come to life. Celebrate your successes and enjoy the beautiful, personalized space you've created. Your home is a reflection of you, and there's no greater joy than living in a space that makes you happy every day.